Do you? Yeah, we will start a new chapter today, profit and loss. Mridul, do you have a fight? Sometimes do you have a fight with Anjali, or you both are very good friends, never fight with each other?
Sir, sometimes we had a fight on very silly things.
Like what?
Like, sir, she asked me to do a lot of work, so I say that is you do something on your own. So
No.
she says, so
He
she said
orders.
that
He
yes,
orders you to do some extra work of her own work also.
yes, sir,
Oh,
I
very
do all the work, and then also says that you don't do anything.
okay. So she behaves like a queen in the house.
Yes, sir,
Think of
not
herself
like a
as
queen, but
but
she
yeah,
orders.
princess, not
But
a
she
queen, but
cares
a
a lot,
princess.
sir.
She cares about you a lot. Okay, that's a good thing. Okay. Chaliye, let's start with the new chapters.
So did you know that this profit and loss chapter I'm studying from class third? My mother told me third only.
अरे वाह,
Sir, my father also.
very good, beta. Very good, very good. Mridul, beta, one more thing.
I have solved all of them.
How is Pushpam Bhaiya?
My father and my grandfather told me
in
in
which
cooking
there
class.
is
Sir, my sister chapter was coming, so I listen her profit and loss.
Okay. Yeah, Karan.
And
your-
sir, my father had told me when I am in second class, and my grandfather also teaches me math.
Okay. Very good, beta. We will discuss this chapter today. Mridul, beta, how is Pushpam Bhaiya?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
How is Pushpam Bhaiya?
Sir, he is absolutely fine.
Absolutely fine. Is he
Yes,
is he is he studying these days or not?
Sir, he studies.
Not that much.
Yes, sir. Not that much. He should study.
He has taken admission in a Chandigarh college.
Yes, sir.
चलिए, हाँ जी, Karamjit, you were saying something.
Sir, what are we doing?
We will start a new chapter, profit and loss, today. Okay, so we will discuss about some terms related to profit and loss. You don't have to write this. अभी आपको नहीं लिखना है. I will tell you when to write all this. Okay. So I hope all the students have joined the meeting. Let's start with the topic now. Okay, so the chapter that we are starting in this period is profit and loss. Okay, very simple chapter and very relatable chapter, relatable to your daily life experiences. Am I right or not? Those who
Yes, sir.
know a little bit about it, they must be knowing that this chapter is very relatable to daily life. है ना?
Sir, profit and loss have major problems of a businessman.
Yes. How many
Yes, sir. My father
students
is a businessman.
in this class?
and shopkeepers and businessmen.
How
Yes.
many of you
Yes.
have parents who are businessmen here in the class? How many are like this?
Sir, my father is a businessman.
Okay, Mridul also has a father as a business. Your father has a medical business, Mridul.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I know everything about you. And others, what type of business is there?
Sir, government teacher.
Your father is a government teacher. Yes, Karan, yeah, I know your father also, Karan.
Sir, my father is assistant manager.
Yes, sir.
Sir, my father is deputy manager in Urea 2 in IFCO.
Okay.
Sir, my mother and father both are the maths teacher.
वाह, ये तो कमाल हो गया. both are math teachers. So math is there in your blood.
And sir, did you know that Karan solved the Rubik cube very fastly?
Very fast,
That I can also solve.
very quickly. Karan, I still don't know how to solve Rubik's
Yes,
cube.
ma'am.
I have never
Sir,
done
I
it.
can also solve.
I have,
I know.
This.
I know 4 cubes.
I have never tried
How to solve.
cube. I don't know how to solve it because I have never tried it also. So I would love to learn how to solve it. When
Sir, my father have a.
Sir, my sister also know.
Very, very easy.
okay,
How to solve a Rubik's Cube? It is very easy.
very good.
Sir, I can solve 2 blocks of Rubik cube.
Acha.
Sir, I can solve 4 by 4 Rubik cube of 3 by 3 and snake cube, mirror cube, and triangular cube.
अरे वाह.
Can you solve Rubik's Cube of 5 by 5? I have
It's harder for me. It's harder for snake cube.
Sir, have we started something because sir, I was disconnected?
Beta, we are about to start discussion on the chapter profit and loss. So all of you, please pay attention. We are about to start the chapter. Yeah, I am going to give you an example. Listen to the example very carefully, and then I will be asking you some questions related to that example which I tell you. Okay, are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So listen to
Yes,
the example
sir.
very carefully.
Yes, sir.
I will be asking you some general questions related to the example. Okay. Suppose you went to a shop.
Sir, we have to write that.
No. Just listen. It is a kind of a story. Just listen to the story. Don't write anything. Okay. So suppose you went to a shop. You bought a chocolate for rupees 10. Okay. You went to a shop. You bought a chocolate for rupees 10. And then you tried to be very smart. What you did? You bought the chocolate for rupees 10. You did not like the chocolate, and then you sold the chocolate to your friend for rupees 15. बहुत चालाक. Bought it for rupees 10 and sold it to your friend for rupees 15.
Sir, 5 rupees profit.
So why are you selling it for more?
5 rupees.
That is
5
a-
rupees profit.
Why are we selling it for?
That is for our profit.
For having some gain or profit. फायदा होगा नहीं
Yes, sir.
होगा? If you buy something for less and then sell it for more amount, उसमें will you have some profit? Gain होगा. That is known as, in Hindi, what do we call it? We call it as फायदा. फायदा हो गया.
Faida.
Faida.
Gain.
This फायदा is, in English, it is known as profit. Okay. So can you tell me how much profit you gained from this example? How much?
5.
profit?
5 rupees.
5 rupees profit. 5 rupees profit. 5 rupees for each chocolate. 5 rupees profit for each chocolate.
For each chocolate. Very good. You
I
got-
want to say that if you will notice that the shopkeepers will sell the thing that they buy from another shop in
हाँ,
double money.
हाँ. Sorry, sure, there was some network problem in the end. What were you saying?
That the shopkeeper will only sell the thing that in double money. Means
Double-
that from that they bought, if a shopkeeper bought a thing of rupees 15, so
He's going to
he
sell
will,
it for rupees 30.
30.
Acha. Is it
Any
like,
more like 5.
it's
20.
not
And
all.
sir, his friend got a loss of 5 rupees.
अरे वाह.
Sir,
So yeah.
So sir,
जी.
it means that rupees 10 that I have bought the chocolate is rupees 10, so it will be the cost price, and the when I have
Sold it.
sold the chocolate in rupees 15, it will be selling price.
Very good. You know all the terms related to the chapter. Okay, so
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
not
Sir, I also know.
sir, I also.
it is not always like this that shopkeepers buy something for a particular amount and then they sell it for double amount. It is not always like this. Sometimes shopkeeper gain only very matlab,
Something
very,
that are old, the shopkeeper sold it for less amount.
sometimes, yeah,
Yes, sir.
sometimes they
Well,
sell it for
sometimes.
a
Yes,
very,
sir. Sometimes.
Like sir, when anybody is holding tomatoes like groceries, and if there is very heavy rain, that all the tomatoes get spoiled and there will be a loss.
lot of things
Yes,
are
Sir, but
there.
if no one will buy anything from that shop, they will decrease the rate of the thing, and then they
That is also a thing. Very good. A lot of
There is a game in which we have to do a business, and there is many names of shop and their profit and loss. When it shows many things that there is 1.3% of loss, there is 20% of profit, like this.
Sir, one time when my father
in the
the shopkeeper,
uh,
like the example is, the
uh,
shopkeeper buys buys 25 rupees something, and he have to sell to 20 rupees
uh,
by the bargaining of the ladies.
yeah, bargaining of lady. Good example. If because the ladies do a lot of bargaining, so they have to sell it for loss. You must have seen your mother or some relative doing
Yes, sir, my mother is very do bargain.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
My mother.
Sir, I have studied this
Sir,
chapter
we
already.
bargain on one also,
Sir,
one
do
rupee.
The
the
students are
green
very
process
clever. Suppose
Sir,
in the
the green
I'm
process
going to
basically.
tell you a story. The story was told to me by a student in the last period, 5th B. He told me a story. First, he asked me a question. Suppose there is a product you went to.
I have
It is a very nice story. Suppose the student told me that suppose you went to a shop and you went to buy a product and you went to two shops to matlab compare the prices in both the shops. When I went to the first shop, the shopkeeper told me that it is for rupees 100. Okay. When I went to the second shop, the shopkeeper told me that the same article, same product is for rupees 80. He was selling for rupees 80. Now he asked me that you will buy from the first one or from the second one. I told him I will obviously buy it from the second one because he's selling it for less price, rupees 80. So then he asked me, then you tell me which shopkeeper is going to have more profit. I told him that if I buy from the first shopkeeper, he will have more profit because he's selling it for rupees 100. Then he told me, no, sir.
Sir, but we did not buy from first shopkeeper, so the
No.
profit is of second.
No. He told me that the second shopkeeper is very clever. And as you why, when I asked him why, then he told me because if he's selling the product for less profit, suppose he bought for rupees 70 and he sold it for rupees 80, he's gaining only rupees 10 in it. And the first shopkeeper,
Excuse me,
he
sir.
bought it for rupees 70 and he's selling it for rupees 100. So he's gaining rupees 30 in it. But still, the second shopkeeper is more clever. Why? Because he told me because if he's selling it for
because
less
Sir,
Sir,
profit,
because he will be selling it in less profit, so when shopkeeper, many people will come to buy that only.
yes, because more if you are
many
selling
people
more,
all came
then
20,
more
20,
customers are
20,
going-
20, 20, 20, 20.
more
And it will
customers are going to buy.
And
So suppose
sir,
you are selling something for less price, then more customers are going to buy from your shop.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You will
many
ultimately you
people
will end up with more profit. फायदा होगा. So he told me this example, and I can give you a very common example, a live example. You all must have heard about this. that in the starting when the company Jio company started, do you all know they gave free internet for 6 months? Absolutely
Yes,
free
sir.
internet for 6
Yes,
months.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
4G internet. Do you all know? Remember
sir.
this? Free internet
Yes,
for
sir.
6 months. 4G.
Sir, what?
When the company Jio company started, Jio company, do you know Jio SIMs are there? So
Yes,
they,
sir.
they
Yes,
started Jio 4G SIMs. When they started this, they used to give away SIM cards for free and free internet, absolutely free internet, free calling for 6 months. Why they did so? Because they wanted to
For their
uh,
profit.
they wanted to grow their company. They wanted to gain more and more customers. उनको
They
बहुत
want
सारे
more and more
customers उससे मिल गए,
subscription.
and then after 6 months they started charging for 4G internet. Now everyone in the whole country started using 4G internet. They came to know that 4G internet is very fast as compared to 3G. सबको पता चल गया 4G की में स्पीड बहुत अच्छी आती है, and the facility is very good. The voice calling is also very good. So they started enjoying it. Every customer started enjoying it, and then after
Sir, in my home there is a 5G network
अरे मर गए 5G
of
network.
Jio Fiber.
अरे मर गए. अच्छा,
Yes, sir, my too.
that is broadband.
You have seen that you have buy a SIM of Jio, then you will get Netflix and Disney Hotstar free.
Yes. So all these are business tactics. These all are known as business tactics. Very complicated things are there in business. So all these businessmen use a lot of tactics. So slowly and steadily you all will also learn it, and then when you grow up, I hope you all will have your own business chains. Someone will have a chain of restaurants, someone will have a chain of malls, not one or two malls, chain of malls. Matlab at least 10 malls in every city you all will have, I hope, after studying this
But
chapter
not
of
the
laws.
PM.
Okay. Yes. So let's talk about the terms related to this. Now
Sir,
I
I
want,
have a story.
Sir.
uh,
Sir, you tell that, sir, that you was talking about Jio. Sir, some shopkeepers do like that. That buy one, no, क्या होता था? Buy two get one free.
that also is a type of offer. In the malls, when you see sales in the
Yes,
end of
sir.
season,
Sir, in morning
Buy
in
two, get one
newspaper,
in clothes and all.
sir, in morning in newspaper,
Sir.
a ad come of easy day offer saving rupees 24 rupees.
Yes, lot
Sir,
of offers are there. All these offers.
sir, but it can,
Yes.
but it can be happen if you can see in the shop it is written buy two get one free. So
Yes.
it can be possible, sir, that they make us full and
The one thing amount is double.
Yes, that is also possible. Yes.
and that
Sir, it can be
if,
happen.
but sir, may I speak?
Yes. Sorry.
So you can see on the shopping malls there is a buy two get one free. So so they can make us full also that the third cloth they will add the cost of third cloth into the second cloth or first cloth.
Yes.
That can be happen.
Yes. That is possible, and the shopkeepers do like this. Not the shopkeepers, the companies do like this. They do what? They increase the price of the first and second product, and then they say that if you buy two, the third one is free. This happens.
Buy one get one free. And their cost.
And sir, limited. And sir, get that. And sir, free one is only at limited price and the limited items and that are of less price.
Yes. Okay, now let's get back to the example which I was discussing with you all. You bought let me remind you of the example again. You bought a chocolate for rupees 10 and then you sold it to your friend for rupees 15. Now the price at which you bought the chocolate, that is known as cost price.
CP.
CP. In short form, we call it as CP. So what is cost price, everyone? The price at which you buy something is known as cost
Yes.
price. Not you, a shopkeeper. If the shopkeeper is buying something, first the shopkeeper buys it from somewhere and then he sells. So from the price at which the shopkeeper has bought it, that is known as cost price. And the price at which the shopkeeper is selling it, after buying it, he's selling it, that is known as selling price. The price at which the product is sold, that is known as selling price. So note down these two definitions in your copies, all of you: cost price and selling price.
Okay, sir.
In the
Okay,
example
sir, please
that I gave
wait.
you,
What you have to do, please tell again because I was disconnected.
I was telling you that what is cost price and what is selling price. In the example that I gave you, you bought it for rupees 10, so that rupees 10 is the cost price. And then you sold it to your friend for rupees 15, so rupees 15 will be your selling price. So this is the difference between a cost price and a selling price. Note down the definitions of cost price and selling price, all of you.
Okay.
So, sir, we can say that the cost price is the buying price and selling price is the
Selling price is the selling price.
Solding
The price at
price.
which the product is sold is known as the selling price.
The amount at which the product is sold is known as the selling price, and the
Yes.
amount at which the product is or
Is
bought
what
is known,
is known as
yes,
the
what
cost
is known
price.
as the cost price.
Yes.
sir. We have to write cost price.
Sorry.
Sir, we have to write cost price and in bracket CP also.
Yes. Note down the two
So we
definitions.
have to write these two definitions.
Yes, in your copies.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have written.
Okay. Now the next thing. So whenever you sell a product for more amount, you or the shopkeeper.
Sir, please wait 1 minute.
Yes.
What are you saying?
Sir, written.
Sir,
written.
सर कब का
Sir, written. Now can you explain?
Okay. Yeah. Next thing, all of you listen. So the price at which a product is bought is known as the cost price, and the price at which the product is sold is known as the selling price. Now, the example in which I told you that you bought a chocolate for rupees 10 and then you sold it for rupees 50. Here, the cost price is rupees 10 and the selling price is rupees 15. So, whenever you are selling a product for more amount as compared to the price at which you are buying it, that means whenever the selling price is more than the cost price, then it is always a profit. प्रॉफिट कब होता है हमको, गेन कब होता है, फायदा कब होगा हमको, जब हम ज्यादा का बेचेंगे, सेलिंग प्राइस ज्यादा होगा. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
In true or false? Okay. Okay, I am going to tell you a statement again. You have to answer in true or false. Everyone, please be very attentive. एक और
Yes,
statement.
sir.
Answer
If
in
we
true or false.
sell it to the higher price to the buying price, it will have a profit.
Okay. Next statement. You have to tell me that it is true or false. Whenever the
Okay.
cost price is less than the selling price, we have a loss. Is it true or false?
False. False.
False.
False. Yes, the statement is false.
False.
Cost price जब less होगा, that means selling price ज़्यादा है, selling price more है, तो क्या होना चाहिए? Profit होना चाहिए.
Profit.
हाँ.
Profit.
That is why the statement is wrong. It is false. Okay. So when loss कब होगा? When are you going to have a loss? When you buy it for more and sell
When
it.
the CP is greater than SP.
Yes, very good. So whenever the CP is greater, cost price is greater than the selling price, we have a loss. So we will note down these points in the copies also. Profit is when profit लिख लीजिए. Next heading is
So now we have to note down from starting.
starting. Where these two definitions you all have written. Profit.
Sir, we have to write profit also.
We have written.
Yes. Note down this in your copies. Profit is when SP is greater than CP. Then you have a profit. And what is the formula of profit? Profit is, how can you find the profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. And now let's talk about loss. Loss is when CP is greater than SP. जब CP cost price बड़ा होगा, then loss हो जाएगा. यानी कि आपने कम रुपीस में सेल कर दिया उसको. So loss is the formula of loss. How will you calculate loss? CP minus SP. CP minus SP is loss. Note down these two things.
Sir, if we does this method,
Sir,
all
written.
people have a SP and CP. Like if the shopkeeper has the
Yes.
loss, so the customer has the profit, and the if the shopkeeper will have profit, so the customer has the loss.
Yes, yes.
Loss is when Sir, if we see the packet of chips, means anything, there is MRP.
Hmm.
So means it the cost, the selling price should not be over it.
Yes.
Means like if I have buy a Britannia biscuit, so there is the
MRP is
then
price.
40. So we can't sell it above the 40 rupees.
Yes. That
But
is
sir, in something MRP is not written.
there are some products, very rare products where you don't see the MRP, but it should be there.
And some shopkeepers also stick a paper or any wrapper on the MRP.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes. Sir, any question?
they do like this. Correct.
And sir, in our shopping,
and loss also.
sir, in our shopping, sir, there is a QR code in IFCO shopping. There is a QR code in every shop. If we will scan with Paytm, then it will pay
Yes.
online.
Yes, sir. I also live in Itko.
That is a method of payment. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, yes. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, so let's discuss about the example that I gave. Huh?
Sir,
Can
I
you
want to
tell
ask
me?
something.
No, Hanji?
Sir, is there any full form of MRP?
MRP, the full form is maximum retail price. Maximum retail price. Matlab, that is the maximum price you can sell the product at. You cannot sell it more than MRP. Okay. Okay, now let's discuss this. So the example in which in the example which I told you, you bought a chocolate for ₹10 and then sold it for ₹15. Can you tell me what is the profit in this case? How much is the profit?
Sir, 5 rupees.
Sir, 5 rupees. 5 rupees.
5 rupees is the profit because the selling price is 15. Selling price is more.
Unnati, please close your mic. There is some noise.
But the continue that you know.
Selling price is more, so
That's from
you
Shaurya.
will have a profit. Selling price is more than the cost price, you will have a profit. And how will you calculate the profit? Selling price minus cost price. That means 15 minus 10. It gives you ₹10. Sorry, ₹5. So your profit is ₹5. And if suppose another example, all of you listen carefully. If you buy the chocolate for ₹10 and then you sold it for ₹8, in this case you will have a loss or a profit.
Loss of 2 rupees. Loss of 2
Yes.
rupees.
Loss
You will
of 2
have a
rupees.
loss and a loss of how much amount? Of rupees.
Loss of 2 rupees.
Of 2 rupees.
Can any one of you give another example from your own of this?
Sir, can I?
Of a loss? Can you give an example of a loss? Anyone?
Can I?
Yes,
Shopkeeper bought
Mridul is giving an example. Beta, give an
20
example.
rupees. Shopkeeper bought
Mridul, give an example. Mridul.
Sir, if I want
Sir, can I tell?
rupees 15 and I don't like it and I sell it for rupees 10, so it is a loss for me of 5 rupees.
Sorry, beta,
Sir,
I was not able to hear. Can you tell me again, Mridul?
Sir, if I bought a biscuit for rupees 15 and if I sell it for rupees 10,
So it is a loss for me of 10 rupees, 5 rupees.
Yes, very good. And
Yes,
Unnati, can you give an
The
example?
class is about to over.
Yes, sir.
Unnati, give an
What
example.
Loss.
shopkeeper bought a
Sir, may I give?
Sir, of loss.
Loss.
Sir, may I give both?
Let Unnati give.
A shopkeeper bought
हाँ,
a shopkeeper bought 2 packets of bread
हाँ,
of rupees 27 and sold it for 25
हम्म,
and and the shopkeeper have a loss of 2 rupees.
yes, very good. Correct example.
Sir, can I
So
tell
we will
Now
start
I-
this-
Sir, now I.
we will, better time is over now. The class will end at any time.